If you guys have had the opportunity to purchase the Dyna Glo wall heater, like what I have right here, and you need the WHF 100 to go in it, like I have, I ordered mine from right here. Blaine's Farm and Fleet, came in real fast. This is what it looks like right here. There it is. If you notice that the thermostat is automatic, so it doesn't need to be plugged into anything. And it's a very simple thing to put in. There ain't a whole lot of hardware to this. So first of all, with this unit here, obviously, take it off the wall mount. And it's a very simple thing. All you do is just take the cover off, put it to the side, and you can see right here where it went. Now I had to pry a little bit on it, pop that right out. It went very simple. And you notice there's just 4 little screws that hold that into place. Okay, as you can see right here, this screw here and a screw here. And if you notice on the inside right there, see them? You can see the hole at the bottom. So that goes to show you where the screw would go. And you just put 2 more screws in there, and as you can see, there's your thermostat right there, so you don't have to connect it to anything. You just have to knock out the plate, put it in there, put your couple of screws on the top and the bottom. Okay, so you have now seen where I have put the WHF 100 fan for the ventless Dyna Glo heater. And now all I gotta do is just anchor it to the wall, plug it in, and that's the end of the story. Just make sure that you got your gas cut off before you do any of this. Now after you put your Dyna Glo WHF 100 ventless fan and installed it, make sure you put your lid back on top and you tap in the screws on all 4s. Then it's time to re-anchor it back to the wall.